In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read messages without seeing on Messenger. First of all, and of course, you will need a Messenger application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you do have an account already, all you need to do, just go log in and let's get straight to it. So first of all, let's just go into Messenger, and let's say for example someone in this chat sent a message. So how can we see that message without seeing without being the other person on the chat? It should not notify that you've seen his message. How can you do that? It's simply by using airplane mode. So after enabling airplane mode, if you open Facebook Messenger app and read the message, when you are done, close the Messenger app. As mentioned, message seen will not show to the person that sent the message. So let's say for example someone here sent a message. All you need to do, you will get a notification first, of course. Just close the app. So here someone sent a message to you, you'll get a notification. All you need to do, just go here to the notification bar, just open airplane mode. So as we said, if you turn on the airplane mode, all you need to do, just turn on the airplane mode and turn off the Wi-Fi if the Wi-Fi is still working. So sorry, because I can't do that, because if I do that the record will stop for me. So after turning on your airplane mode, all you need to do, just go back to your Messenger. Of course you will already have the notification, and then just go maybe read the message. And then after that, go out of Messenger, close Messenger as well. Wait, sorry. Just close Messenger as well. Then go to the notification bar and turn on Wi-Fi and turn off airplane mode. That's how nobody will be able to know if you see the message or not. You will see the message, but other people will not be notified that you see that message. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it, and goodbye.